How to fix Snapchat camera quality. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Snapchat. Open Snapchat then and go to storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data and click OK, and then you have to back and click on forward stop. Click also OK, and what you should do then, go to this option, set as a default, and make sure that this option open supported links, it's allow it like I'm doing. Then you have to back and go to permissions option, go now to camera, make sure all again that this option is allowed here, and after this your problem will be solved. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.